I am Colonel Lalit Chamola, founder and director of Colonel Chamola Doon Academy, located at Dehradun. In this academy, हम बच्चों को या स्टूडेंट्स को एसएसबी के लिए गाइडेंस और ट्रेनिंग देते हैं. साथ ही वी ट्रेन स्टूडेंट्स फॉर written examination of National Defence Academy, Combined Defence Services Examination, FCAT, and small children for RIMC, Sainik and Military School. Let me tell you why did I open this academy. मेरा जो एम था वो टू फोल्ड था. पहला was after retirement I wanted to give back to society जो मैंने सोसाइटी से और इस कंट्री से इतने सालों में लिया है. And the best way was to give it through training people into becoming good citizens and good officers of the Indian Army, Navy and Air Force. And second was कि बच्चों को आजकल स्कूल लेवल के ऊपर या सोसाइटी में अच्छे कैरेक्टर डेवलप करने के लिए गाइडेंस नहीं मिलता. सो आई स्टार्टेड दिस विद द एम ऑफ गाइडिंग दिस. कैसे करते हैं हम ये? द मेथड दैट आई अडॉप्ट इज एनी स्टूडेंट्स हु कम्स टू द एकेडमी, फर्स्ट वी कैरी आउट देयर एप्टीट्यूड, साइकोमेट्रिक एंड साइकोलॉजिकल एनालिसिस. इससे बच्चे की पूरी पर्सनैलिटी, उसकी काबिलियत, उसकी शॉर्टकमिंग्स, उसकी स्ट्रेंथ्स हमें पता लग जाती है. फिर हम इंडिविजुअली हर एक के लिए एक प्रोग्राम डिवाइस करते हैं. एंड अलोंग विद द कंबाइंड क्लासेस व्हिच कवर द एंटायर सिलेबस फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर कोर्स, मे बी एसएसबी, मे बी रिटन एग्जामिनेशन, हर के लिए एक इंडिविजुअल प्रोग्राम बनाया जाता है. इंडिविजुअल हर एक को गाइड किया जाता है. द गाइडेंस इज नॉट ओनली लिमिटेड टू द एकेडमी, इट इज ऑल्सो एट देयर होम्स. एंड आई हैव नोटिस्ड दैट आफ्टर स्पेंडिंग एटलीस्ट अ मंथ एंड अ हाफ इन दिस एकेडमी, बच्चों के अंदर एक पूरी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आती है. दे स्टार्ट फीलिंग मोर कॉन्फिडेंट, दे स्टार्ट फीलिंग that their feeling of self-worth comes in them, and they not only become fit for that particular course, but ये चीज उनको जिंदगी भर मदद देती है. Fortunately, our results have also been very good, whether it be SSB, RIMC, or written examination, and this is purely because of the guidance provided to them at individual level and the hard work which these students put thereafter. Now I'll hand you over to my students who will give their views and impressions as to what do they feel about their stay in the academy. Thank you.
My name is Arman Keguli and I have been here training for my NDA for the past month. Before coming to Colonel Chamola's academy, I was not aware of the syllabus fully of what happens at the SSB, but now I am very aware and confident that I will be able to crack this. Earlier I was quite overconfident with my approach, however that has been brought down by sir through various tests, and he has also ironed out various small intricacies that I had. What a difference which I observed from other academies is that they teach you for 14 to 15 days and they say the course is over. However, sir has taken the effort and the course lasts for a month, wherein he individually assesses everyone, making them practice screening, psychological tests, GTO tasks, etc. Along with this, what I have observed is that sir pays personal attention to everyone, not only inside the academy, however at home as well, which has been able to instill discipline inside me. He daily asks for our videos and photos of the various exercises we have been carrying at our homes and how we are maintaining our houses. For future candidates, I would just tell them to be quite confident, be aware of what is happening around you, and be honest with yourself, because only then you will be able to succeed. Thank you.
My Abhishek Mungai. I have been training here for my course ND Colonel Chamola sir in the CCDA for past 1 month. Recently, I have joined it and sir has helped me to overcome my various difficulties. For example, before I joined the CCDA, I definitely didn't know about the SSB procedure, and along with that, I was a bit overconfident and I often lacked in my communication skills. However, these difficulties and faults in me have been brought down by sir. So, sir pays attention to each and everyone. What has happened is sir doesn't ask you to become someone else. Rather, he tells you that be your own self and be the best version of yourself, which has definitely helped me to become better. Sir definitely gives us more assignments, and these assignments are not to be done on paper, but are to be done in our homes at each and every morning, wherein we do various exercises. We send the clips to sir and we interact with him. So what this has done is that it has instilled a sense of discipline and has helped me to organize my own self in a better manner. Lastly, I would like to say that anyone who comes to CCDA will definitely have a better sense of approach towards life, and they will be confident in order to crack SSB. Thank you.